Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video I am going to be doing this sit down chit chat video after so long. I don't know when was the last time I filmed it. Also I'm going to be creating this extremely pretty pinky look with you guys, which I think you can easily achieve with the basic eyeshadow palette that you have. So in today's video आपने टाइटल में पढ़ लिया होगा कि I'm going to be sharing everything about social media. If you're a beginner, if you're getting into it as a content creator, I think this video is going to be informative and helpful. Having said that, I do not have a lot of subscribers as of now कि कि मैं बहुत ज्ञान बांटूं, but with a little bit of experience that I have had, the kind of journey that I have had, I've of course had my own ups, my own down. I do have a few things that I've learned in this way, so I really thought that it's a good way to share it. If you are a beginner, you're gonna relate it, you're gonna understand it, and I really hope if it helps, and if it helps, I'm going to be more than happy. Please let me know. And I'm super excited to share it. I hope that you take it in a positive way. I hope that it helps you. And now, without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so let's begin with the makeup, while I'm also going to take up questions. First, I'm going to prep my skin. I haven't applied anything, so I'm going to take my Snail Mucin and I'm going to start prepping, because of course skin prepping is extremely important. And then with skin prepping, we are also going to take up the first question. I have like a bunch of questions here. Okay, so the first is, what motivated you to start this YouTube channel? Interesting one. I'm gonna put the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So back in the day, 2020, may not exactly, actually before that, I was extremely into YouTube, like watching YouTube. I used to take a lot of YouTube content creators like Balvika Satlani, Mirdul Sharma, Mansi Mao. Then we have the Brown Daughter. Then we have Ashi. All of these are few जिनसे मैं inspired थी. Like I used to see their videos right, left. Sara Sarosh, how can I forget her? Okay, so right, left and center, I used to see their videos. Always, fascinated by the idea of like opening the camera and speaking in front of it. So what I used to do a lot of times is, I used to like, when I'm getting ready to go anywhere, or I'm doing my night or morning skincare, I used to open my phone camera and I used to talk about it. Once my sister came to know about it, like she saw one of my video on my phone or something like that, and she was the one who suggested me, you know what, I think you should get into YouTube. That moment I felt that she's saying something that I want to do. Like it's there in my heart. It's not like she's forcing me. With that, we are going to take up the next question, which is, how do you come up with content ideas? Honestly, I won't say a specific place, Google कर लो या ये कर लो वो कर लो, आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज अगर आप गूगल करोगे, ऑफकोर्स आपको कुछ आइडियाज मिलेगा, बट दैट्स नॉट गोना हेल्प यू फॉर योर long run. Of course, you can get inspired by other creators as to what they are doing, what's working for them. You have to create ideas. Like it honestly takes a lot of toll to see कि क्या चल रहा है. As I said, it's a journey for one's own. Give you up idea is, if you're just starting into YouTube, one thing that I would say you is कि before you start, or if you have already started, before you deep dive into it, take a pen, take a notebook and write down at least 70 to 100 ideas. Not 70, I would say 100 ideas. Like whatever is your niche. Niche is basically the area where you are gonna make content. Like it can be like my beauty, like my niche is beauty and lifestyle. I've blended, and for some reason the camera is catching it very white and light. It is not like that in real. I can see. Next question is, what strategies have you used to grow your channel so far? Honestly, ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है जो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ कि ऐसे पोस्ट करो वैसे पोस्ट करो. नॉट येट. एज आई सेड कि आई स्टार्टेड दिस चैनल बिकॉज आई लव टू क्रिएट वीडियोज़, एंड टिल टुडे दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम डूइंग इट. स्ट्रैटेजी एक बहुत मेजर जो मैं कहूँगी अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो कीप इज़, आई नो आपको बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ में दिख रहे होंगे, बट इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट to be consistent. Next question is, how important is video quality and editing for small YouTubers? Oh my god, extremely important. I won't suggest कि आप जाकर कैमरा खरीद ले just because you are thinking to come into YouTube. आजकल तो iPhone has so good video camera, or even not even iPhone, even Android, Samsung has some amazing video quality, and other phones, OnePlus, then or Oppo, Vivo, all of these, I think they are coming up with such great video quality. What was the next part? वीडियो क्वालिटी एंड एडिटिंग इज समथिंग आई थिंक दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज उसके बिना तो आप वीडियो पुट अप ही नहीं कर पाओगे ना. आई वोंट से दैट आई हैव एज्ड द गेम ऑफ एडिटिंग, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, बट एडिटिंग के बहुत आपको कोई कोर्स पैसा देकर सीखने की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं है. बट देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ फ्री वीडियोज ऑन यूट्यूब जहां से आप आराम से सीख सकते हो. जो दैट हैज हेल्प मी इज इन शॉर्ट I would suggest VN. Okay, apart from that, next question, how do you engage with your audience? Okay, so engaging with your audience, I think what I do is I just stick to the regular posting schedule as much as I can. I make sure कि अगर आपके पोस्ट में 1 कमेंट आए, 2 कमेंट आए, 3 कमेंट आए, भले वो आपके दोस्तों के हो, स्टार्टिंग में यू आर नॉट गोना गेट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, राइट? So make sure you reply to them, and with that we're going to color up our eye, for which I'm going to be using this palette today. I cannot link it because this is from Thailand. I have done a detail haul Thailand के vlog में, वहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा. I haven't used it. I'm super excited to use this. I'm going to be quick with the questions because honestly बहुत सारे questions हैं. जो pink shade का जो glitter है वही I'm going to be applying. Is what role does social media play in promoting your YouTube channel? आई वुड से कि स्टार्टिंग में ऑफकोर्स बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप अपने सोशल मीडिया में शेयर करो, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इवन एवरीवन डज. अपने व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस में, इंस्टा के स्टोरी में, फेसबुक के पेज में, एवरीवेयर, वॉट एवर एल्स, इफ आई एम लीविंग एनीथिंग, ट्विटर इफ यू यूज इट, आई डोंट यूज इट, सो I don't know, but जहाँ पे भी हो, you have to like share, you have to let your friends know and all of that. But I think in long term में right now, the stage that I am in, I have almost stopped sharing on my social media because I just think कि it is not helping utna right now. I think I'm loving how this eye look is turning to be. Look at the glitter effect. And the next question is, what are some common mistakes new YouTubers make and how can they avoid them? Okay, I think one of the thing is कि like I said in the previous point, अपने दोस्तों को बोलना कि प्लीज मेरा वीडियो देखो, प्लीज देखो, प्लीज देखो. वो शायद आपका 1 वीडियो देख ले, 2 वीडियो देख ले, 10 वीडियो देख ले, जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर फ्रेंड. बट अगर वो टॉपिक ऑफ इंटरेस्ट उनका नहीं है, लाइक एनी गाय फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, इफ आई टेल देम टू वॉच माई ब्यूटी वीडियोज, इफ दैट्स नॉट देयर इंटरेस्ट का टॉपिक, मे बी दे विल वॉच अ फ्यू जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर माई फ्रेंड्स. बट इन लॉन्ग रन दे डू नॉट वॉच एनीथिंग एंड दे आर नॉट गोना वॉच इट. सो आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट गोना हेल्प मी इन एनी वे. सो दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई वुड से जस्ट स्टॉप डूइंग, जस्ट asking for views. Next, how do you handle negative feedback or low engagement? Oh my god, negative feedback, I think feedback is good when it comes from a place that I know is positive. I know कि they are telling it from a good sense. A lot of my friends used to say me कि अपना video quality improve करो. जब beginning में I started, and I was negative feedback. Negative feedback is getting, I think, jealous of your work and not saying anything. आपके दोस्त है फिर भी आपके work के बारे में they don't comment. They see कि आप गंदा मेकअप कर रहे हो, आप गंदा वीडियोस बना रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, एंड दे चूज नॉट टू इम्प्रूव यू बिकॉज दे आर हैप्पी कि उन्हें गंदा कर रही है. तो आई थिंक दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ वेरी बैड फ्रेंडशिप. रिमूव दैट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. कमिंग अप एंड टेलिंग अबाउट समवंस बॉडी, समवंस लुक, समवंस ड्रेस, दैट इज ऑल नेगेटिव फीडबैक. इग्नोर इट. एंड लो एंगेजमेंट, यू ऑनेस्टली कैन नॉट सिट एंड क्राई अबाउट इट. ऑफकोर्स बहुत बुरा लगता है, बट गेट अप, मेक बेटर वीडियोज एंड गेट हाई एंगेजमेंट एंड गेट हैप्पी. Next one, what tools and resources do you use to manage and grow your channel? At this point of time, as in tools for editing or anything, I have not bought any editing software. It's just the normal free versions of InShot, VN, and here and there I just keep trying and testing. Even I'm in that process. Apart from that, for shooting my video, I have my iPhone जिससे मैं shoot करती हूँ. I have a ring light right now. I've invested in that, and it's not a very high quality ring light, but ठीक है, चल जाता है. This is the light you're getting, and honestly, I'm still figuring out with light. I don't know. I don't find this light the best, but anyhow ये है अभी. and इसको छोड़कर I haven't bought any. How do you measure success beyond subscriber count? For me, success is getting the loyal subscribers. Subscriber count तो शायद कल को millions में बढ़ जाए, touch wood, but I think मेरे लिए success वही है जब I have loyal audience who support me, who wait for me my videos. what's your long-term goal for your YouTube channel? Okay, for this channel right here, I think my long-term goal is I just want to create videos till the end of time, till I remember. How do you stay motivated and consistent with your uploads? Oh my god, not the right person to ask, because I've been so inconsistent in the past. It has been like a, you know, roller coaster journey for me. Stay motivated. So, you know, I just जब मैं videos consistently डालती हूँ and I get good views and stuff like that, I think that is what motivates me. And there are days when, you know, I do not upload videos because I was feeling low. And next one, what advice would you give to someone just starting their YouTube journey? I think I am not a great, और इतना success नहीं मिला है कि मैं कुछ advice दूँ या something like that, because even I'm working hard here. But one advice that I really want to give is don't come here for money, because honestly आपको money यहाँ पे I don't know कब मिलता है. It's a lot of hard work, consistency, patience, lots of ups, lows, and lot of other things. It's because you love it, do it because you want to, and you are ready for taking all the lows and still getting up and smiling and creating videos. Now I'm going to take this black eyeshadow in the brush like this and create a light wing to kind of complete my eye look. Okay, so now I'm going to be fixing my eyebrows. और कुछ questions है जो I'm gonna very quickly take. सारा तो आंसर नहीं कर पाऊंगी. It's gonna be a very long ass video. Let's see how do you handle content planning and scheduling. So content planning तो I think मैंने पहले भी थोड़ा बहुत कहा है कि you need to sit down, think कि क्या videos चल रहे हैं, क्या नहीं, make up script if you want, or if not then you know you have to note down at least some ideas कि आप next 2 हफ्ते के लिए या 1 month के लिए ready हो with your ideas. You're not struggling in the mid time, which is gonna help you. So you need to take out time and you know, plan everything and schedule according. How do you create engaging thumbnails and titles? Titles तो I don't use any app as such. I just create खुद से अपने दिमाग लगाकर. And thumbnail I use InShot, I use Canva, and sometimes even B612 if I had to add like some special effect. What types of videos have performed best on your channel? For personally mine, I think haul videos and skincare videos. How do you manage your time between YouTube and other commitments? Oh my god, it's again a separate whole video. I think all these years if I wasn't consistent enough or if my growth is slow is because I have prioritized my other commitments a lot more than YouTube. There were months I couldn't post anything because I was into other stuff, my college and things like that. So yeah, sometimes even you know you have to say your friends no to make up videos. अगर आपको घर पे बैठ के आज वीडियो बनाना है, if they are planning something, you cannot show up there. So on those days I have always tried to show up for my friends and not choose YouTube. So that's something that I have done. So I'm not the best person to say कि आप कैसे prioritize करोगे, but yeah, you have to choose your battle and your priorities at the end of the day. What equipment do you use? I've already shared it. How do you stay updated with YouTube trends and algorithm changes? I think trends, I'm not the best person. मैं trend में हमेशा last आती हूँ या फिर मैं आती ही नहीं. What's the importance of networking with other YouTubers? I think it's great if you have friends from this industry. You can go ahead, shoot videos एक साथ. You can do so much collaborations. I haven't done, I think, any collaboration with anyone. I do have few known people in this YouTube journey. Ever collaborated? I think I'd be more than happy to collaborate. Then what role does consistency play? I think I've already answered this. It's extremely important. How do you decide which feedback to act on? I decide feedback from the area it is coming and from the tone it is coming. If I have to react, if not, then the importance of niche focus versus brand appeal. Okay, niche focus is कि आप अपने बस niche पे काम करो, and brand के बारे में भी I had to answer this once I got asked. So brands कैसे आते हैं work करने के लिए? So I know there are a lot of like platforms which help you get brand deals initially. You know, आप उनके साथ work करते हो, they like take some amount from your work and the rest you get, something like that. I am not sure. I'm not gonna comment or recommend anything here because personally I haven't ever worked with any of such platforms, but you can do your own research on YouTube, and if I get any videos on that I'm gonna link it as well. And I haven't also worked with a lot of brands, you know, because of course I'm not a very known face की brands मेरे पास आए, and with few brands like Wow के साथ में starting में बहुत काम करती थी. If you see my old videos, but उनके साथ how I got work is by direct contact. What are your thoughts on paid promotion? Oh, paid promotion, I think of course पेड प्रमोशंस को लेकर लोगों के बहुत मजाक उड़ाए जाते हैं कि ओ ये तो पेड प्रमोशन करती है तो यूज भी नहीं करती है ये लिपस्टिक या फिर ये प्रोडक्ट. एक्सक्यूज मी, आई नो जब वाओ के साथ मैं काम करती थी, दे यूज टू सेंड मी प्रोडक्ट्स एक हफ्ते पहले अगर मेरे पास आता था तो वीडियो 2 हफ्ते बाद बनता था. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज प्रोडक्ट आया एंड कल मैंने वीडियो बना दिया, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं था. आई यूज टू यूज दैट प्रोडक्ट एंड इफ आई लाइक इट आई यूज टू मेक वीडियोज. सो उसमें व्हाट्स रॉन्ग, इवन इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ 9 to 5 जॉब, यू आर डूइंग योर वर्क एंड यू गेटिंग पेड फॉर इट. सो इफ यू आर मेकिंग वीडियोज एंड अगर हमें कोई प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है, इफ यू आर आस्किंग मनी for it and we are recommending it, what's wrong in that? आपको लेना है लो, नहीं लेना है तो मत लो. No one is going to force you, right? So I think, I don't know why our influencers always made fun of कि वो paid promotion करते हैं and product को use नहीं करते. I don't know कहाँ से ही mindset भी आता है, because as much as I know, ब्रांड्स एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम के पहले आपके पास प्रोडक्ट पहुंचा देते हैं, आप आराम से यूज करते हो. इफ यू लाइक इट, यू शेयर इट, एंड इफ यू डू नॉट लाइक इट, यू कैन से दैट ब्रांड एंड गेट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कमिटमेंट और दैट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज. लाइक आई नो पीपल जो वीडियोज देखते हैं, दे आस्क कि सच में ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है या यू हैव जस्ट डन इट बिकॉज इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन. भाई, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गुड, like that's how it works for me, and yeah. So yes, at this point I've kind of like mixed 3-4 lipstick and this is the shade that I've come up with, and I think I have almost done with my makeup. I just need to spray up some spray. Also before that I need to add my highlighter. Oh my god, how did I forget it? Extra blush I've added because I like it like that. You can spray some makeup fixer. All I had to share. That's the look that I created, which I personally liked it, and I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. You found it informative if you're a beginner. Even if not, if you were just interested into how things work here in this industry, then I think this video helped you. And that's pretty much it. I think I can do a part 2 because I can speak endless about this topic. So please let me know in the comment section if you want to see a part 2. I'm gonna be making it very very soon, and I really hope कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. If you liked it, then please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. Links are going to be in the description box. I'll super soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.